Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have my beauty box unboxings. I have my Glossybox and my Look Fantastic box. My Birchbox has arrived, but it arrives to my work and I was working from home today, so I couldn't have picked it up, unfortunately. So we're just going to unbox these two, and I think I'm going to unbox my Glossybox on my Instagram, either in stories on my IGTV. So if you want to see what I got in these boxes, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I am going to start with a Glossybox, and the theme this month was angels or devils, and I got the angel one, obviously, right? So I'm just gonna unpack it and we'll see what's inside. Okay, the first thing is actually a treat. So we got the Wittered luxury white hot chocolate. Ooh, a hot chocolate sachet. How many we got? We only got one, so I'm gonna have it. My fiance will not. Please don't tell him. Shh. Okay. Next up, we have the Still London Velvet Touch eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this. Give me 2 minutes. I'm gonna swatch it on my arm so we can check out the intensity. So I've swatched it all on my hand, and this is the swatches of the palette. What I can say right off the bat is that the mattes are super buttery, like really nice. The shimmers are a little bit crumbly. I do not like them. They might take a little bit of, maybe I can't say I do not like them, I haven't tried them yet, but they don't look super promising, but you never know, they might work on the eye. So yeah, looks kind of cool, and I wish I have gotten this earlier for October for Breast Cancer Awareness Month and my pink theme for my Shop My Stash, because this is definitely up that alley. Looks gorgeous. It is a gorgeous palette, but yeah, can't wait to try this out. You can see these are the swatches. Okay, next up we have the MCO Beauty I Define Crayon Eyeliner in the shade Black. So this is what it looks like. Super simple pink packaging. I was there for a second, forgot a color, but it is a black eyeliner, and this is the swatch of it. We're gonna leave it on our hand for a few minutes to see if it smudges or if it's the ones that dry down very quickly and you can't move them afterwards. But next up I have the Lord & Berry MaxiMatte Crayon Lipstick, and this one is in the shade Angel Pink, and boy is it pink. Can you even see? Like super pink, and it is that white base pink that will make your lips look so yellow. Not for me. I think I'm gonna declutter that straight away because it's not nice at all. Next up we have the BubbleT X Glossybox Angel Dust Foaming Bath Powder. So this is what it looks like. I don't have a bath, unfortunately, but I keep them for whenever we go on like a getaway, you know, so that I can put this into a bath if that hotel has a bath. And the last thing that we have is the QueBella Professional Illuminating Holographic Peel Off Mask. So this is what it looks like. It is illuminating peel off mask to help remove dead skin cells and help to nourish and moisturize the skin. The holographic shimmer particles will leave your skin looking bright and radiant. Super cool. You can never say no to a mask. So let's check this out. This eye pencil, and it is one of the ones that smudges, which might be something that you like. I don't know. I'll see it when I try it on the eyes if it's good or not. But today's Glossybox is a good one, except this guy, which was such a fail. Like, it is way too bright for anyone, literally. Other things are bomb.com. You guys, I don't know what's going on. I have the biggest headache for the past couple of days. I can't sleep, and now my throat is hurting. and I don't know what to do with myself. But on to nicer things, which are the Look Fantastic box, and let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, so the first thing is the OK Illuminating Holographic Sheet Mask. So this is what it looks like. We have another holographic kind of theme going on, but okay, we can get on board with that. Next up we have a mini Mary Illuminizer. Oh, please don't fall. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and this is the sample inside, which is quite generous. You could definitely fit in a highlighter brush in here, so very nice. Oh, I keep dropping things. Come on, Kasha, calm down. I already have a full size of this, but this is perfect for traveling. Whoops, I love it, and I'm keeping that definitely. Next up I have a hand cream, and this is the genuine Lapland cream with 3 Arctic berries. So it is from the Polar brand, which is the same brand that my face cream is from, and I really like them, so we'll see if this is any good. I have 10 million hand creams, but I'm just gonna look past that. I'll use them up eventually. Next up I have the EOS Shimmer Limited Edition Iridescent Lip Balm. So okay, I'm gonna open it from the bottom and we shall see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, and let's open it up. Oh, huh, look at the color, super nice. I am not touching that because I still have my lip balm, the Dr. Pawpaw lip balm, which I'm trying to use up, and I feel like there isn't that much left, so I'm gonna keep this for later. Next up I have the Look Better Feel Better angled blending brush. So let's open it up and see if it's any good. Oh, it's so soft, but it's such a weird shape. Like, it's angled, but it's also flat top. So angled blending brush. This is definitely not great for eyeshadows, but for concealer, now that's something I could get behind. Cute, love it, and it's super soft as well. So, and the last thing we have the Wet Brush Pro. This is the mini detangler. So let me open it. This Look Fantastic is so random, but I love it. It's so tiny, and even the handle is so small. It's so cute. Now I have my boxer braids on, so I can't check out if it is any good, but I definitely will, because my current brush definitely needs replacing, and I'm gonna try this first before I throw away my old one. But yeah, like I said, it needs replacing, so I'm hoping this will be a good replacement. Wow, I really like this month's Look Fantastic box. It's so random but so fitting. I really like it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.